In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pages in grid view on Canva. If you're working on a multi-page design in Canva, like a presentation, a workbook, or a social media carousel, it can quickly become confusing to keep track of all your pages. Grid view is a really helpful feature that lets you see all your pages at once, making it much easier to navigate and organize your project. In this video, I'll walk you through how to open grid view so you can move around your design more confidently and efficiently. First, make sure you have your Canva design open on your screen. This could be any type of document that has more than one page or slide. Once your design is open, look toward the bottom of the Canva editor. On the left-hand side of that bottom area, you'll see a small icon that looks like a grid of tiny squares. This is the grid view icon. Go ahead and move your mouse down to that icon. As you hover over it, you'll usually see a little label appear that says something like Grid View or Page Manager, just to confirm you're in the right place. When you're ready, click on that grid icon once. The moment you click it, your editor will switch from the regular single page view into grid view. Now, instead of seeing just one page in the center of your screen, you'll see all of your pages laid out as smaller thumbnails. This layout is really useful because it gives you a clear overview of your entire project at a glance. From here, you can easily scroll up and down to see all of your pages if you have a longer document. To change pages in grid view, simply click on any page thumbnail you want to work on. Canva will highlight that page, and when you exit grid view, that selected page will be the one that opens in the main editor. Grid view is especially handy when you want to jump quickly between pages without endlessly scrolling, or when you just want to double check the order and consistency of your design. If you ever feel lost inside a big project, remember that clicking that small grid icon at the bottom left is your shortcut to an organized visual overview of your entire design.